Greetings everyone, it's Michael Anastasiadis here, mortgage advisor from Bosanoff Mortgages Made Easy, coming to you live with your weekly mortgage and interest rate update. So the update this week is, like the last few weeks, no update in terms of interest rates. They're still the same for that 1 year, 18 month and 2 year rate. We've been stuck here for a while now at 4.99%. But hopefully in the next few weeks that'll change with the big announcement next Wednesday. We've got the OCR announcement from the Reserve Bank, and what I've been reading, it sounds like everyone is in consensus that there'll be a 0.25 cut to the OCR, taking it from 3.5% to 3.25. We saw earlier this week that the Aussies, their Reserve Bank, they did a cut as well of 0.25. So we're expecting that to also happen here. Now, when the banks pass or make the changes to their fixed rates, history tells us that could be a few days after the OCR, could be a few days before, or it could be a few weeks after the OCR announcement. But one thing seems to be certain on the experts' opinions is that the OCR will be cut, and then it'll be a matter of time before we see what the banks do with their fixed rates. So if you've got a mortgage coming up for refixing, now is the time to chat to your advisor, to your expert, to your bank, whoever it is, so you can make sure you're making the right decision for what's best for you and your circumstances. The other big news today was the budget. The government's going to increase the minimum KiwiSaver contributions from 3 to 4%. And that's both for the employer and employee. So that's going to take into effect over the next few years. So that's good if you're going to buy in a few years' time. You'll have a bit more of a higher KiwiSaver balance. But for here and now, there was no other relief. There was no Home Start grant coming back or anything like that. So the best advice I can give you there is keep putting your money in your KiwiSaver, keep saving when you can as well, because if you're looking to buy, the banks do look at your savings, and nearly all first home buyers I deal with use their KiwiSavers to help them buy their first place. So if you want to know more, feel free to get in touch. Other than that, there was nothing in that in the budget for anyone. Hopefully for Wellington, that's the end of the public service cuts. Next year there might be a bit of a lolly scramble, but at some stage this government's going to have to do some heavy lifting to get us out of the economic slump that the country's in. But yeah, that wasn't announced today, so I don't see anything there. But what it will mean if there's no more public service cuts is that as time goes by this year, more and more people in Wellington in particular will be feeling confident about their jobs. They'll be confident to reach out to people like me to get pre-approved and then look to buy probably in the second half of the year. Definitely once we hit spring and summer anyway. So what will that mean for later on in the year? More competition. More competition means more buyers out there, means prices will go up slowly. I wouldn't say they're going to go up a lot. So if you've got that pre-approval at the moment, or you've been thinking about getting pre-approved, now's the time to chat so we can help you to get pre-approved so you can buy with confidence and with not much competition out there, because there are some good houses out there and we've had a few clients get their offers accepted. So it's busy. The inquiries are picking up. Clients are putting in offers on properties. So yeah, it's always a good time to buy if you're thinking. If it's you, get in touch with me and I'd love to help you out to see if I can make your mortgage made easy. In the meantime, guys, have a great afternoon and we'll be live with another video soon. Cheers. Ka kite.